Hello, students! Welcome to Time Management session. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Good time management enables you to work smarter, not harder, so that you get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. Failing to manage your time damages your effectiveness and causes stress. It seems that there is never enough time in the day. But since we all get the same 24 hours, why is it that some people achieve so much more with their time than others? The answer lies in good time management. Time management offers some of great benefits like greater productivity and efficiency, a better professional reputation. It helps in lowering our stress levels, increased opportunities for advancement, greater opportunities to achieve important life and career goals. We tend to make fewer mistakes. It improves our work satisfaction. Effective time management involves various steps like setting goals. To be in control of time and increase productivity, you need to set goals. Schedule effectively. Managing time is about creating an effective schedule that helps you keep your focus on goals. Prioritize. Setting priorities is even more important than scheduling. Say no to procrastination. Do not keep piling up small and easy but important tasks till they become urgent. And then we get into firefighting mode.